Here we are. It is September 5th, and I'm trying to get a picture of all the ductwork that's going in. Plumbing, HVAC, and electrical is going in. Quite a bit of air being pumped through the house, will be. We're discussing framing and putting in arches. I'm going to come over here and show you the plumbing for the sinks. So here's some plumbing for a sink. It has to have a vent to vent gases up to the roof. And here's where your sink would be. And there's a drain, and there's a water supply. And that's the kind of thing that's up in your roof or in your floors, all hidden away. Here's a fan. If you've ever seen a fan in your bathroom, this is what it looks like on the inside. And here's another one. Lots of ductwork. So in every plan, you have to plan for ductwork coming down into your space. And what we did in the bathroom here is create a nice niche for a sink and maybe a vanity area where the client's wife can put on her makeup.